Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 111, playing with numbers, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. Now this fill in the blanks has 3 sub questions. We'll do it one by one. If the sum of 3 digit numbers xyz, yzx and xzy is divided by x plus y plus z, then the question is, here these are the 3 numbers and that is divided by this x plus y plus z. Okay, we'll add them first, sum. So xyz plus yzx plus zxy. Okay, now what is this number actually? These are 3 digits. Okay, it's like 125. So 125 means what? 1 is what? 100 into 1 plus 25. 2 means what? 10 into 2. And 5 means what? 5 into 1, right? That's the place value. We had studied that in some 3rd, 4th, 5th standards. Okay, that's called as a place value. So 100 into x plus 10 into y plus z for first one. Similarly for second, 100y plus 10z plus x. Similarly for third, 100z plus 10x plus y. Now these all are added. So what does it become? Equals to this 100 plus 1 plus 10. 111x, similarly 111y, similarly 111z. 111 is common. Now what is given? This addition is divided by x plus y plus z. It means this addition means what? This will be divided by this 111 into x plus y plus z will be divided by x plus y plus z. Now if it is divided, then what will get cancelled? X plus y plus z will get cancelled and quotient would be 111. That is the required answer. Next, the difference between 2 digit numbers AB and BA is divided by 3. Then the question is, where it is given that A is greater than B. Why it is given? If this would not have been given, then you would not have known what is to be subtracted from what. AB minus BA or BA minus AB. Which one is bigger? Now it is given A is greater than B. Therefore AB will be definitely greater than BA, right? Therefore what you do? AB minus BA. Okay. Now this difference is divided by 3. So first find the place values of all these. So it becomes 10A plus B, similar to the earlier one, minus 10B plus A, right? Then add this or solve the brackets. 10A plus B minus 10B minus A, that is 9A minus 9B, 9 into A minus B. Now that is divided by 3, right? So 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 into A minus B, that is a quotient. So that is the required answer. Next, sum of a 2 digit number and a number obtained by reversing its digits is always divisible by, means what? There is a number which is 2 digit and then we reverse those digits and add these two numbers. Okay, so number equals to what? Let's say AB. Now AB number means what? This is, we'll have to find the place value also. So that is 10A plus B, right? Now this number is actually 10A plus B. Now you reverse the digits, so it becomes BA. But what is the place value then? 10B plus A, right? This is the actual number. Now what we do? We add these two numbers. So it becomes AB plus BA equals to 10A plus B plus 10B plus A. So it becomes 11A plus 11B. So 11 into A plus B. Now this number is always divisible by whom? What? Quite simple, 11, because 11 will get cancelled, right? So it is always divisible by 11. That is the answer. Next, true or false. First, all even natural numbers which are divisible by 3 are also divisible by 6. That is not the answer here. Even natural numbers. Okay, let me see, but I didn't see this even. Okay. So even natural numbers. Let's see. So even natural numbers means what? Ending with what? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Right? Now divisible by 3 we want. Okay. So which one? Try with the lowest numbers. Okay. Which numbers? 12, 24, then what? 6, 18, 30 are divisible by 3 and are also divisible by 6. So the answer is true. You can check any number which fits this criteria. So it will be definitely divisible by 6 also. Next, if a natural number is divisible by 21, then it is divisible by both 3 and 7. Okay. So 21 divisible by 21. It means 21 is what, 3 into 7. So it will definitely be divisible by 3 and 7. Okay. So here it's like this. If this bigger number divides somebody, then these smaller numbers would definitely divide. But vice versa is not true. If the smaller number divides somebody, this bigger number may not divide, right? Yeah. If the product divides of these, then this bigger number divides. Got it? Means if this bigger number 21 divides, then the smaller numbers are factors of them, it will definitely divide. Okay. So 42 upon 21, okay. 42 upon 3 into 7, yeah, divisible. Similarly 63, you can go on and on and on. So the answer is true. Next is true or false. AB into 4 equals to 192. Then A plus B equals to, okay. AB into 4 is 192. Therefore AB is what? 192 upon 4, that is 48. Okay. So A plus B is what? 4 plus 8, that is 12. Is it equal to 10? No. So A plus B equals to 10 is false. So the answer is false. Okay. Next, a number of the form 14n plus 2 leaves the remainder 2 when divided by 7. Okay. Is it true or false? That's what we are required to search. Okay. 14n plus 2. So n can be anything. It's not given. It's not given whether it's natural number, whole number, whatever you say, or rational number, whatever it can be, integer. Okay. Let's see. So 14n plus 2. So n equals to, we'll try with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah blah. Okay. So n equals to 0. So 14 into 0 plus 2 is 2. Remainder is 2. Wow, how come remainder is 2? Divided by 7. 0 upon 7 is 0 and remainder, this 2 remains. Okay. For 1, okay. 14 into 1, 14 plus 2, 16. So remainder is 2 again. Similarly 30, remainder is 2. So you go on and on and on. The remainder will be 2. So 14n plus 2 when divided by 7 will always leave a remainder of 2. So the answer is true. Got it? Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. Useful for you throughout your life for all the competitive exams. Remember, we have videos for the same. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.